Introduce yourself first.
My name Farhan. I am a student Maximus Nambangan. My level English A1.1.
What do you need to make a cup of tea?
Of course, ingredients and tools. Here are tools. Electronic kettle, cup, spoon. Here are ingredients. 1 tea bag, 1 cup of water, sugar.
How to make hot tea?
1. Boil water. Fill a kettle with fresh the water to boil. Prepare cup. Place a tea bag in the cup. Steep. Pour water. Steep. Steep. Let the tea bag is for is for 1 until 3 minutes. Tidak set set. Oke, sudah. Remove tea bag and sweetener the sugar. Server enjoy. Your hot tea is now to drink.
Hi, how
Hi,
do you do?
how do you do? Yes, to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Farhan. I am from Surabaya at Harika Center number 44. I am I 13 years old. I have two siblings. My hobby is swimming.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two brothers.
How are you today?
I am fine.
Can you speak Pancasila in English?
Pancasila. 1. Believe in the one supreme God. 2. Just and civilized humanity. 3. The unity of Indonesia. 4. Democracy led by the wisdom of the liberation among representative. 5. Social justice for the whole of the people of Indonesia. Four.
What's the symbol of the first principle of Pancasila?
1. Golden star.
What's the symbol of the second principle of Pancasila?
Chain.
What's the symbol of the third principle of Pancasila?
Lion tree.
What's the symbol of the fourth principle of Pancasila?
Fourth head.
What's the symbol of the fifth principle of Pancasila?
Rice and cotton.
Please speak about the youth page.
Dios, but one, we are sons and daughters of Indonesia, claim to a prosperous homeland of Indonesia. Two, we are sons and daughters of Indonesia, a nation that claims to be one the people of Indonesia. Three, we are sons and daughters.
Focus your mind and show us how amazing you are at understanding English. Are you ready for an exciting adventure? Yes, let the listening fun begin.
Hati-hati.
Mommy, can I help you prepare the food for iftar?
Sure, Hannah. Please put some dates on the plate.
How many dates should I put, Mom?
Let's follow the sunnah. Please take an odd number. Can you count 7 dates?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 dates are on the plate.
Thank you, Hannah. Now, please take 3 glasses of water.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Done, Mom.
Good job. Thank you for helping.
Listening test questions.
Okay, Mutasar.
Number 1, what is Hannah helping her mother with? A. Cleaning the floor. B. Preparing food for iftar. C. Washing clothes. D. Cooking rice.
She cooking clothes.
Number 2, what fruit is Hannah counting? A. Apples. B. Oranges. C. Dates. D. Grapes.
She takes.
Number 3, how many dates does Hannah put on the plate? A. 3. B. 5. C. 7. D. 9.
A. 3.
Number 4, why does she choose that number? A. Because she is hungry. B. To follow the sunnah, odd number. C. Because the plate is small. D. Because there are no more dates.
D. No text.
Number 5, how many glasses of water does she prepare? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4.
She 3.
Does Dr. Faisal mention as an example? A. Albert Einstein. B.
Antika 20 56 54 40 7 8 7 9 46 28 54 40 42
5,
I give
5, 6, 10, 10,
gampang sombong.
30, 63, 32, 30, 18, 9, 8, 3, 7, 8,